No, high school is about grade 10, 11, and 12.
Oh, high school. Okay. Because here in the Philippines, we have 4 years in high school, junior high school, then 2 years in senior high school. That's grade 11 and 12.
Yeah.
I thought we're the same. Okay. Last time we talked about electricity, right? Do
Yeah.
you still remember?
Yes.
Okay. Do you still remember what is electricity? Okay, here. Oops, sorry. This one. Do you still remember this one? Are you still there, Lynn?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So what is electricity, by the way?
Electricity is the flow of tiny cha- charged particles,
Oh,
photons.
okay. Okay, can you please repeat the sentence or repeat your answer?
Um,
The okay.
Electricity
Okay,
is the
pause. Okay, wait. Follow me. Electricity.
electricity,
Elec
electric, electricity,
electricity.
electricity
Okay, that's good. Okay, continue.
is the flow of tiny charged
Charge, okay.
particles called electrons.
Okay, very good. Mm-hmm. So it is used to power lights and electrical appliances, such as kettles and televisions in our homes, at school, and all around us. Okay?
Yeah,
Okay. So there is a natural electricity called static electricity. It is lightning. Okay? Do you still
yeah.
remember? Okay, very good. So now we are going to discuss about the story of energy. Do you know what is energy means?
Energy is power to make things happen.
Okay. Okay, very good. So can you read? Okay. Continue reading, Lillian, please.
Energy is power to make things happen.
All
It
right,
is
very
everything
good.
about us. Heat,
Okay.
light, and movement are types of energy.
All
We need
right.
energy to make our bodies work, and it's what we use to make electricity and power our homes. Energy can be stored and it can change from one form to another.
Okay, very good. Thank you for that. Okay, what is the energy? Energy is what makes everything work. Okay? It is power that helps us move, play, eat, and even think. Okay?
Yeah.
So without energy, nothing can happen. Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Energy can be in a different forms, like heat, the warmth from the sun. Do you follow? Light from a
Yeah.
lamp or the sun. Okay? Movement,
Yeah.
like a roller coaster zooming down a track. Okay? So for example, um, you are riding a bike. Do you have bike at home?
Yes.
Oh, okay, very good. So your legs use energy. Where did you get that energy? You are riding a bike. So you are using your legs, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So where did you get that energy? Do you have any
Um,
idea?
um, we have energy Energy is
Okay, it's okay.
I think energy is
Where did you
energy.
get that energy? From riding a
Um,
bicycle. Where did you get your energy?
think you get energy from food.
Very good. You get your energy from the food you eat. Okay?
Yeah,
Wow, that's nice. So the food you eat gets digested in your stomach, right? And changes inside you to give you the energy you need. Okay?
yes,
Okay. So let's continue. And the bike moves because that energy. Okay. Cool, right?
yeah.
Okay. So now we have also a sources of energy. Do you know what are the sources of energy? Do you have any idea?
Uh, I think um,
Okay. Take your
I,
time.
can you repeat the?
Okay. Do you there are sources of energy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if there are sources of energy, can you give me an example of sources of energy? Do you have any idea? Okay,
Uh,
I have a question. I have a question. Is fossil fuels are one of the sources of energy?
yeah.
Yes or no? Oh, yes. So it means fossil fuels are is a sources of energy, are the sources of energy. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is fossil fuels, Lynn?
Fossil fuels are made from dead plants and
Mm.
animals
Okay.
squashes around millions of years ago.
Okay, very good. So, what are the examples of fossil fuels? Can you give me examples of fossil fuels?
Is coal, oil, and gases.
Okay, very good. So, we use them to create electricity, right?
Yeah,
But they will run out someday because they are not natural.
natural power.
Oh, yes, very good. Wow, you're very smart. Okay, so mm, the second sources of energy is the sun. Do you agree?
Yeah,
Okay, sun is the ultimate energy source. It warms the earth, helps plants grow, and gives us light, right?
yeah.
Okay. Now, what happened? What happens to plants if they don't get light?
Um, if they don't get light,
Yeah.
they will be die or will be die or is white.
Okay. They might die, right? Because no energy, no food, right?
Yeah,
Yes, very good. So, we have fossil fuels. We also have the sun. And the last one is renewable energy. Take note, renewable energy. Okay? So, what do you think is renewable energy? Do you still remember what is renewable?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. What is renewable?
Renewable. I think renewable is energy can Mm, renew.
Yeah, renewable energy.
Um, I think is
Okay,
uh
it's okay.
is can be regenerated.
What?
It can be.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. This is your assignment, okay?
Yeah,
Okay. So, even though I'd love to continue our discussion, but it's almost time, right?
yeah.
Yeah, it's already 7:58. Am I right?
Mm,
Am I right?
yeah.
What time is it? 7:58?
Yes.
Okay. So, we are about to end. I want you, that is your assignment, okay? The renewable energy. What is renewable energy? Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Take note, please. Take note, Lynn. Thank you so much. Okay. Next, we will discuss um about movements. Okay.
Yeah.
Industrial revolution, food
Yeah.
chain,
Yes.
stand, and the renewable energy. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time, Lynn. Okay.
Thank you so. Yeah. Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much. I will let's have our class next time. Okay.
Thank you so much. Have
Thank
a
you so
good
much,
night.
Lynn. Have a good night.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Have a good. Bye bye.
Good night. See you next time.
See you.
See you. Sleep well, okay?
Yes. Have a good night.
Have a good night. See you. Bye.